Okay guys, so in this video we are going to go through basically how to implement joining a channel. So let's get into it. So here I have some channels and I have two different users. We have foo and let's actually log out as this person and go in as bar. Let's do that. So this person here you can see has only one channel, and this person here is in a multiple of different channels. So let's go and join a channel. So we have our selection here, we just click that and hey, we can now type into the channel, and if we type something in there we can see that hey, foo is typing, and if we click back, yeah, nobody's typing anymore. So yeah, we can trade messages. That's basically it. So you can, of course, join multiple channels and so forth, but I think this is good enough for demo purposes. Let's look at the code. So first and foremost, our channel service has gotten two new methods. So get channel by name and joining a channel. And basically the get channel by name is as simple as, hey, I'm just gonna go and find one channel on my model that has the name that matches the name that is inputted. That's about it really. And then joining a channel is as easy as finding something by ID. I just go grab the channel ID, and then I'm gonna check if the user that I'm specifying that's gonna join the channel is in the channel. So I go and I look in the users in channel, and then I just go and find an ID that matches the user ID. And if that user is already in the channel, I simply return the channel. Otherwise, I add that user to this channel, and then finally I save the channel. And if we have a look at my user service, I made a little bit of a refactor here because I needed to support something, or rather I wanted to, basically I wanted to, when a new user gets into the application, they should automatically join the general channel. So let's actually have a look at how that works. So if I now drop my users and I drop my channels and I go back to my application here, I log out here, we can see that if I register as foo here, I'm going to be automatically dropped into the general channel. So what's happened now, if we look at the logic, is basically that, let's actually click in and go a little bit deeper here. So register is going to just register the user as we've seen before, and then we're going to go and grab the channel by name. We're going to try to grab the general channel. Now, if there isn't a channel, we will simply create that channel and add the user who registered to that channel. And then we're going to set the last visited channel for this user to be general, so that they automatically join, so they automatically have that channel as the last place they visited. And otherwise, if there is already a general channel, we're simply going to join that channel, and then we're still going to set the last visited location. And that's about it really. So the logic isn't harder than that. So on this first user, we created the channel. And if I log out here as well, oh, I don't actually have to log out. I think I can just, no, actually I do. Because I have a session cookie, bar, and now you can see bar, who has now registered, is also automatically joining the general channel. So that's what's going on there. Let's have a look at our alerts channels list, which is basically is, as we've touched on in a few other videos, it's this channel, this thing here. So if I click general now, I'm actually going to go to the same thing, right? But I can actually, if I create a new channel like this, I should still be able to go to general from the creation or the alert channels list. In other words, instead of creating the channel or so forth, I'm supposed to actually just join it. And that's exactly what's happening here. So basically what we're going to do is that when I click the channel in the list there, I'm going to grab the channel, I'm going to grab the user, and then I'm going to create a channel model. I'm going to check if I am or this current user is already in the channel, and if I'm not in the channel, I'm simply going to join the channel. And then after that, I'm just going to close the alert and redirect to the channel's endpoint, or that route. And as you can see here, I added to our front-end model here users in channel because I was originally not, I didn't need that information from was coming from the server. So, but now I do actually, because of the code we saw earlier. I need to be able to filter on this or find. And here is my join channel request, just a bit of boilerplate there. Basically, it's just a call to /join and just to actually join the channel as you saw earlier. And on the server here we have a put, which is just going to take that matching request that you saw just a moment ago. We're going to grab the session, we're going to grab the channel ID, and then we're going to join the channel as we saw earlier, and then return that channel. And that's basically all the functionality we need for being able to join a channel. So we're going to move that over to ready for testing, and next up is going to be to leave a channel. So let's look at that.